Thank you guys once again for tuning in. Carpentry with Chris. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe and to share with anyone who is interested in getting into the trades or trying to get into the union. Thank you and God bless you. So right here, I took off the rooftop of all this, and I put all the pieces right here. Small demolition. To be honest, today I did not want to show up to work today, and there's gonna be those days where you're not gonna want to go. It's not if it happens, but when it happens, and you kind of have to find the reason why to continue going. And honestly, my mindset is I pretend like I'm already married and I already have kids and I have a house to pay, and I just pretend that I have all those bills that I have to pay, and so that when it really happens, I already do it anyway. And also just kind of something in me that says, you know, don't give up. So whatever motivates you to come to work. I just found my first 5 cents ever in my career. Somebody said this was their pay raise. That's messed up. Well, I find $100 bills over here. So they told me to go get a litter lugger. What? I repeat, a litter lugger. I have no clue what that was. This tool right here is known as a buggy. It's a portable trash can. Bruh. Oh, here it goes. FBI. Moving the porta potty. Had someone in there, almost took him with us. Good morning, guys. So this is the reason why I'm covering these holes, because say if a vehicle with a scissor lift, they drive a scissor lift and they hit this hole, it starts to crack, and then everything's falling over it. So then that's why I'm gonna put it at a certain angle so then I can just do it like this. Be extremely careful taking these out. This is how I hit my face.
Five years later.
So with the new technique, for the angle, screw this.
Oh my God!
Fixing my toolbox, or fixing our toolbox, company's toolbox, loose. Put some screws in there. It looks like this again. Rookie hands. Alright guys, so I'm tied off to the yo-yo. This is a Preston deck. I do a lot of loading. These things are sort of like holders. I don't know the proper name of these. Where I'm gonna put a 2x4 about 10 feet wide, 10 feet long from here to there. And then I'm gonna put a smaller 2x4, probably like a 2-foot piece behind it so it gets secured, and then I can screw it in with the impact gun. And this is how it looks all the way down from here. After a while you kind of get used to it, so we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so I have to be tied off, so I'm in the yo-yo with the harness. And so I'm just trying to make sure that this beam, this 2x4 is going to pass this column right here. So what I'm thinking of doing is, it's my first time ever doing this, so I'm thinking of just doing it from this angle and trying to get it through this hole first. Just get it to reach the other. And about right there. Nice. Now I need a 2x4 right here in the back, so then it gets tight, and then I just screw those in. And I'm gonna get these right here. You see that right there? There you go. Okay, so once I hit it high enough, I can start putting the tail end of the hammer right here at the claw. See, there it goes. So I figured I would do it kind of like I do with nails, go to the right, then go to the left just to loosen it. That worked out. See that, guys? After a while, just looking around so much, you get used to not getting scared of heights and all those good things that come with it. Find it out. Way better. Neat. Fully covers the whole thing. Just better like that.
And that's pretty much it for this week. So thank you once again for watching these videos, for putting in your time to watch my videos. I'm truly humbled and amazed by that. Thank you to everyone who subscribed. And also some other videos I'm going to be putting in are how to get into the union. That's going to be one of my videos. And then also another tools video, just kind of more in depth on what exactly I do with them. And then in that video I will be putting down the link so you guys can purchase those tools as well. So best of luck, and thank you so much for tuning in. Hasta luego. Until next time, God bless you.